Hi friends, my name is Vineet. I welcome you to Career and Knowledge Ocean YouTube channel. So today our topic is going to be very important because nowadays this question is being frequently asked by HRs and interviewer during interview process, and this is the first question which is being asked by an interviewer. So if you want to get a job, if you want to build your career in IT sectors and in a good company, so you have to answer these questions. There are some questions are there, but I'm going to tell you the most prominent and important question which is asked by interviewer, that is, tell me about yourself. So please do watch this video till the end, because I'm going to tell you some very interesting and very easy and proven tips which everyone can apply and make their own version about tell me about yourself. And let's jump into this video. So friends, before telling you about or preparing you about tell me about yourself, I want to tell you or discuss with you some important points which you need to know. So first thing is, सबसे पहली चीज जो इंटरव्यूअर देखता है, ठीक है, so that thing is in first few seconds or a couple of seconds, okay, he would judge you that whether you are fit for this company or not, because you would be sharing some of your skills, some of your knowledge. With that only he would able to judge whether you are fit to this company, or whether you are able to work in this company, or whether you are fit to this position or not. Okay, so first few minutes define that whether you are in the company or out of the company. That's it, very simple. Second thing is, by telling about yourself creates, if you are defining yourself in a very best possible manner, this create a good impression in front of interviewer. He is much more interested to know about you, which makes it communicative and it make also impressive to the HR. And finally he is forced and he is bound to hire you. That kind of impression you are creating. So first, there is the same kind of first impression is the last impression, so that is you are creating. So that's why it is so important to describe tell me about yourself. Okay, so now I will tell you how to speak about yourself. So I will give one example, then I will tell you how you can speak on your own words, in your own words. So first, let me start. So my name is Vineet and I am pursuing my BCom honors from Lovely Professional University, Punjab, and my hobbies are reading books, watching movies, surfing and gathering information from the internet, and spending time with my friends and family. These are some of my hobbies. And I have some strengths which include I am a flexible person. I can work in any time. It can be night shift, evening, day, and even a midnight shift as well. And I am a dynamic person, okay, because I can change according to the environment. Okay, because if you can't change yourself, you cannot survive in any organization. So you have to be dynamic. So I am that person who is very dynamic in nature, and I am a team player. As you know, empire is not built by a single person. It is always a team who help to build that empire. So I also believe in that. I also believe in teamwork. Without a team, anything cannot be achieved. So also I am a goal oriented person. I always have goals in my mind, to improve myself every day, and to learn new things. And fifth thing is, I am a very time bounded person, and I always want to be on time, and I always want to do every project or every things which is assigned to me on time. These are my some of my what you can say advantages of me. So now moving to there are some of my key interests. My key interest is I am a good orator. I love to give my views and point of view to the public, and I am also spoken in my university and in my school as well. So I want to move further and take it to the next level. And so I am practicing and making it more perfect day by day. And second thing is I'm also interested in making investment, and I spend my idle time about learning about investment, stock markets, investment in the gold and other important things. So these are my some core interests. So now my goal of my life is to learn new things every day and put all together and make myself in a better in a very growable situation in very few or couple of years. And my knowledge and my experience would help others to grow their career or to grow their knowledge as well. This is my ultimate goal. And there are some other things that is my goal is to help other person and even to grow myself in a better manner in terms of knowledge and experience. Thank you, sir. So friends, now I will tell you how you can make your own version of Tell Me About Yourself. So I will tell you the best and easiest manner. So सबसे पहली चीज जो आपको करना है कि सबसे पहले आपको अपना नाम बोलना है, ठीक है? आप उसको कैसे बोलोगे? My name is. Don't use myself, I am, because this shows arrogance. Okay? Just introduce yourself in this very simple manner. My name is Vineet. Then after add your educational status. Like I have completed my graduation from XYZ college, or else you can even add I have completed my BTech in mechanical engineering from this college. Okay. Next thing, you have to tell your hobbies. What are your hobbies? It can be anything: playing cricket, playing PlayStation, okay, watching movies, okay, chit chatting with your friends, riding bicycle, going out, spending your time with it can be anything. You have to write on your own. Someone wants to ride a bike, someone wants to write on himself, someone wants to put a reel on Instagram. So these are some of the hobbies. आप अपने हिसाब से लिखिए कौन सा आपका हॉबी है. मिनिमम 4 हॉबी लिखे, ठीक है? अगर इंटरव्यूअर आपको ये क्वेश्चन पूछे तो आप बता भी सकते हो कि सर ये मेरा हॉबी है और मैं इसको जस्टिफाई कर सकता हूँ. If a person whose hobby is to play cricket, if he is very passionate about it, so if interviewer throw any question or ask any question, he will easily able to answer that. So आप ये बात ध्यान से सोच के लिखिएगा जो भी आप बोलना चाहते हो. जब इंटरव्यूअर आपको ये क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करेगा तो आपको आपके पास उसका सही जवाब होना चाहिए. ओके. अब क्रिकेटर के बारे में पूछेगा, ऑब्वियसली आप क्रिकेट का जवाब दे सकते हो अगर आपने उसको बोलने का सोचा है तो, ठीक. सेकेंड थिंग, आफ्टर टेलिंग योर हॉबीज, you have to tell what are your strengths and what are advantages of yours. So it can be list of these things, or else you can create your own. I am a very dynamic person. I am a trustworthy person. I always be on time. I am a dynamic person, and I believe in teamwork. I am always keen to learn. I am a fast learner, teamwork. I always like to work in a team, and like that you can mention any of the few things. Okay. And you even explain this. Okay, if you have time, or if you are having time or like 30 seconds आपके पास है तो आप शॉर्ट में इसको बोलिए, ठीक है? Last thing is, what is your key interest? This is not very important for you, but if you have, then you can share your key interests. What are your key things? What are the main things what you want to pursue with your career, side by side or along with your career? Okay, suppose I want to learn about investment. So anyone who wants to be a good, what you can say, affiliate marketer, or wants to make a startup of his own. So these are some of the co-interests, मतलब keen interest और core interest. Okay, तो आपके लिए वो अलग हो सकता है, किसी के लिए ये भी हो सकता है कि मेरे को कविता लिखना अच्छा लगता है. I like to write my I want to like I like to write poems when I am having idle time. So this is my key interest, and like I will like to spend more time for this. So ये so last thing, आप अपना लाइफ का गोल बता सकते हैं. व्हाट यू वांट टू मतलब आपका लाइफ का गोल क्या है, फाइनल आउटपुट क्या है. तो इसको आप कैसे बता सकते हो? इसको आप ये बता सकते हो कि ये मेंशन जरूर करिएगा, आई वांट टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स एवरी डे. आई वांट टू बिल्ड माय करियर इन सच वे सो दैट इन कपल ऑफ इयर्स आई वांट टू see myself and find myself in a very better position, and also want to help people. तो ये आप अपने हिसाब से बना सकते हो, ठीक है. तो फ्रेंड्स, होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. सो फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, subscribe to my channel, because it took a lot of efforts to make this video, guys. If you will like this video, and do comment to my under this video so that I can make more videos, and you also give me topics on which I can make further videos for you. So thank you guys for watching my videos and giving a valuable time of yours. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.